Hi, this is the Motorola Moto G84 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box. That is the SIM eject tool and some paperwork here, like the information guide and the safety informations. Also we got here the protective silicone case in clear color. And let's also check another accessories. So here we got the charger brick, the let's check. This is the original Motorola charger brick with all of the specifications, and also we got here the USB Type-C cable. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.